evening.
My helper's here.
Yeah, this is Isabella, my daughter. So today I'm gonna show you.
I'll be right back.
I'm gonna show you on how to make a homemade pizza sauce. So I have here
First, stand up.
one can of chopped tomato,
This one.
10 cloves of garlic,
Okay. I'll tell you.
and one finely chopped onion, and four pieces of finely chopped mushroom, and oregano. If you have fresh, that would be much better. Mixed with a dried one, but I don't have fresh, so I'm using the dried one. So now I'll show you the steps. First, we have to heat it up the pan first, and then I'm using olive oil. Most of my cooking, I'm using olive oil.
I'm staying far because it will be hot and dangerous.
Yes. So in here, first we have to put our garlic, the finely chopped garlic.
I'm not going to do this, but Mama's going to do it.
Yes.
Because I'm scared because sometimes it's hot. Mama puts super hot so I cannot do it. And so I'm just watching because when I grow up, I want to be a mama. And so I'm just looking so I can learn
Yes.
how to become a mama.
Yes. So we just have to cook this a few seconds. Now we
Okay,
can
few
throw
seconds.
our chopped onion.
The onion will be difficult on that watching. Right, Mama?
Yes. We will wait until it gets translucent.
Like it comes something.
Now we have to put our chopped mushroom.
Because I don't know to get my
Now let's just leave it for a few seconds.
Oh yeah. What is that?
It's a tomato. So now
Mama, you didn't let me do this.
Now we can put our tomato can.
Yeah, which we only put out and open it.
Then we'll put our dried oregano.
Mama, if it's little, I can do it, okay? I'm be careful of this because it will be hard. You remember last time I got burned.
And now let's just put half teaspoon of salt.
Bit of salt, but you cannot eat salt every time.
So just cook this for around 30 minutes. So now we can put half of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of sugar. Adding baking soda and sugar, it neutralizes the acid in the tomatoes. Generally, we just balance the tomato sauce acidity. by adding a bit of sugar and baking soda. So now, we just wait after 5 minutes again. In all my cooking, guys, I always add a pinch of sugar just to neutralize the acidity in the tomatoes. Just a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar. So now this is almost done. Just another 1 minute more. Then our pizza sauce is ready in 1 minute more. Now our pizza sauce is ready. It's a homemade pizza sauce. This recipe is useful for you. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet for more videos. Bye!